everyone. Earth, our home, is the third and the most beautiful planet from the sun and the holiest place in the universe. Earth, our planet, is an amazing place, but it needs our help to thrive. Hence, each year on April 22nd, more than 1 billion people celebrate Earth Day to protect the planet from things like pollution and deforestation.
Earth Day isn't the Earth's birthday. It is a special day each year that reminds us that we must take care of the Earth. It is an annual event celebrated on April 22nd. Worldwide, various events are held to demonstrate support for environmental protection by taking part in activities like picking up litter and planting trees. We are making our world happier and healthier place to live.
The theme for Earth Day 2022 is Invest in Our Planet. In keeping with the theme, Earth Day 2022 will center on accelerating solutions to combat our greatest threat, climate change, and to activate everyone, governments, citizens, and businesses to do their part.
The very first Earth Day was celebrated in the United States on April 22nd, 1970. In 1990, Earth Day became a global event, mobilizing 200 million people to encourage environmental protection and to encourage people to recycle. Earth Day is all about educating people about conservation, protesting against climate change and global warming, and encouraging volunteering for the good of the planet.
Protecting the environment matters to everyone. If we honor the earth every day, we honor ourselves always. But how? How to honor the earth? Looking for ways to reduce, reuse, and recycle.
By conserving energy at home and at school.
By reducing paper waste.
By turning off taps. There are so many ways by which we can support the environment, and this is the way we honor the earth.
Each one of us has the responsibility to save the earth. We, the students and the teachers of ISWK, has done our bit to save the earth. What about you? Here's some easy things that you or anyone can do to keep the earth clean and healthy.
Oh, I have an idea. Use a reusable water bottle to help reduce waste caused by plastic bottles.
When you brush your teeth, turn the water off while you are brushing your teeth.
Turn the lights off whenever you leave a room to save the energy.
And remember, Mother Earth takes care of us, so we must take care of her.
Grow a small garden in your backyard. No space for a garden? A small herb garden is an easy and space-saving way to grow your own herbs. Educate yourself. Earth Day is a special day to really do your research and pledge to do ourselves a better planet.
Day, that's something we need to ponder, respect, celebrate, and understand that every day is Earth Day. Let's commemorate this Earth Day by restoring our world. Let's talk to our friends, neighbors, and get them to make positive challenges.
During this Earth Day, I can proudly say, nurture nature and the nature will nurture you. If we take care of the earth will take care of us. So, dear friend, let us return thanks to our Mother Earth which sustains us. Together we must invest in our planet. Happy Earth Day to one and all. Thank you.